Have you ever wondered if you could access your Moka Bank account from the snowy landscapes of Canada? Well, let's dive into that question today. Moka Bank, with its innovative approach to banking, has gained a significant following. Its user-friendly interface and attractive features have made it a popular choice for many. But what about those who call the Great White North home? Can they enjoy the benefits of Moka Bank from the Canadian soil? Building excitement, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's explore why Moka Bank has become such a sensation. Its unique features include digital-first approach, no physical branches, meaning more convenience and potentially lower costs. Personalized financial tools, Moka Bank offers tailored advice and insights to help you reach your financial goals. Competitive interest rates, attractive rates on savings and investments can make a big difference. Addressing the main question, now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is Moka Bank available in Canada? Research and analysis. To answer this question, we've conducted thorough research and analyzed various sources, including Moka Bank's official website, checking their terms of service and geographic coverage. Online forums and communities, gathering insights from users and discussing their experiences. Contacting Moka Bank's customer support, directly inquiring about their availability in Canada. Findings: based on our research, it seems that Moka Bank is currently not available in Canada. While they have a growing presence in other regions, Canada doesn't appear to be on their immediate expansion list. Exploring alternatives. If you're a Canadian looking for similar banking options, here are a few alternatives worth considering. Neobanks. These are online-only banks that often offer competitive rates and innovative features. Digital-first traditional banks. Some established banks have embraced digital banking and offer many of the same benefits as neobanks. Credit unions. These cooperative financial institutions often have a strong local presence and may offer unique services. While Moka Bank may not be accessible to Canadians at this time, there are plenty of other great options available. The world of banking is constantly evolving, so it's always a good idea to stay informed and explore the latest offerings. If you're interested in learning more about Moka Bank or other banking options, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and insights. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.